that. It's so nice. I don't know if you can tell. Baka mabulog ka dyan. Hi, so I have got this house and lot for sale in Quezon City. Now this one is actually inside Tivoli Royale Subdivision. It's near Vista Royale Executive Village. But first, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. Of course, we're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. My name is Julia and welcome to another Presello open house tour. Okay, so upon entering, you'll be greeted by the garage and your way up to the main entrance. But for now, oops, I'll show you the garage first. So there's actually a caretaker in the premises right now, so I won't be able to show you the driver's lounge or the driver's room. But it is actually right here. So you have here your 4-car port, your driver's lounge, and it has an ensuite toilet and bath right over here. So again, I apologize, I can't actually show you because there are a lot of personal items in there currently. And then over here, we have access to the secret. I'll show you later. Para may konting drama naman, because I wanna show you the entrance first. So, ano lang, para lang di na tayo lumabas dito mamaya. Okay, let's head up to the main entrance. So technically, this is kind of the basement. And actually, before we go up to the main entrance, let me just show you, there's also a side access over here that also leads to the secret. Consistent. Okay. And here we are, your main entrance, and this looks out over the mountains and it's gorgeous. I don't know if you can see it though in the camera. So there are lots of houses being built, but this particular house is pretty high up. So regardless, you'd still have that gorgeous view of the mountains. So you can tell that this is a really big entrance, right? It looks so tiny next to it. Okay, so you have here a high ceiling and then lots of open space. So basically open area siya where you have your dining, your living, and your kitchen all in one view. You also have here a covered lanai. So if you can see, yeah, you've got a really nice bar right here. So it's perfect for entertaining guests. Actually, the whole floor is for entertaining. So you have your nice spill or your overflow mo, diba? And then you have the indoor area. Super nice for entertaining. And then look at this kitchen. So you've got an island counter, you've got your built-in oven. Of course, you can do whatever it is you want with all of these cubby holes and cupboards and whatnot. And your sink is over here, and as well as the bags. And over here, what's really convenient is you have your dirty kitchen. So you have here some quartz counter, a quartz counter, and it goes out over here as well. And this room is actually your maid's quarters with an ensuite toilet and bath. So really, really convenient layout for this house. And over here, wala pa siya actually pinto. So you can attach a door here if you want to, but if not, you can just have some shelves built in, and this will serve as your pantry. And going back out into this really, I mean, look at that. Going out here, you just have so much space and you have a view of the main staircase and everything. It's beautiful. And over here, which is, you would think na sobrang halata niya, no? But upon entering, it doesn't actually catch your eye, which is a good thing, because this is bedroom number 1. It does not have an ensuite toilet and bath, but it does have one right here, which also serves as your guest's toilet and bath for this floor. And of course, you have bedroom number 1, as I mentioned. So you've got this huge window, and it looks out onto the front of the house. Right. And again, you've got a beautiful view of the mountains. If you like seeing houses like this or videos like this in general, and you haven't already subscribed to us, please do subscribe to us and share these videos, because they really do let us know how much you want to see more of this. It's a big help and we really appreciate it. Okay. So before we go or head up to the second floor, I want to show you more entertainment spaces. So this time we're going to go back down to the basement. Oh, by the way, these are these are Indian mahogany wood. So you can tell it's a nice reddish color. And that's basically, you know, a characteristic of mahogany, and it's really, really nice to look at. So here we go, we're in the basement. So you see why I put air coats? It's still very bright, and actually, technically it's in ground floor, but the way it was designed, Dubai kind of looks like a basement. Anyways, here we have bedroom number 2. So of course you've got space here and your ensuite toilet and bath. Now this one is actually more of a guest bedroom, more than anything, because it has this view of the covered pool. Yeah, look at that. It's so nice. I don't know if you can tell. Baka mabulog ka dyan. Because the edge is unique. So I don't know if you can tell, pero yung tubig doesn't actually start here. It starts over here. So ano siya, nag-slant siya. So that's really nice. It makes it look like, sort of like an infinity pool. And then over here, we have bedroom number 3. So, there. Hindi nga lang siya ensuite. So the room is separate from the toilet and bath, but that's because you want people from the pool going to the toilet and bath, you know, with convenience or inconvenience. Parang mali yun. With na lang. Okay. So you have more areas over here for chilling, right? You can imagine like cool sunsets over here, spending it with friends and family, just having a nice dip in the pool. Super, super nice. Oh, and also by the side, please excuse the cleaning materials and whatnot. You have here some utility. I think this is where your water tank is supposed to go. And sensor. Over by the side of the house, sige. There are construction materials inside, but this is storage / laundry room. It's up to you if you want to make your laundry area indoors or out here. And then there's also a room inside, and that's mainly for utility or electrical. So nandiyan yung mga breaker. Yan. So if you continue out here, you're gonna end up in the 4-car port. Pero generally wala siyang path because you know you don't want your guests like going here. You want them to go straight to the main entrance. Okay. So far we've already covered 3 rooms, and we're not even on the 2nd floor yet. So let's head up there. By the way, you've got 353 square meters of lot area and 602 square meters of floor area. 600 square meters, guys. And you've got so many rooms and so much space for entertainment, for parking, you even have a pool, right? If you want to see more houses for sale like this in Quezon City, please do let us know down in the comments below. Okay, wow. So you have here your 2nd floor landing, and your view is again of the mountains. Kita ba? Hindi ata kita. So hindi siya kita sa camera, but that is your view. Also, your main staircase and the visitors entering your main entrance. So this is a really nice and clean and simple but very elegant way to like welcome yourself in your own home, right? Okay, so here we have the hallway leading to the bedrooms. It's very spacious actually, and you have a lot of things that you can do here. You can turn it into a family room or a study. You can see that there are provisions for that. But here, behind door number, well, 1, we have bedroom number 4. So you've got lots of space. You've got your built-ins for your wardrobe and your ensuite toilet and bath. There you go. Grabe no, bedroom number 4 na tayo. Wala pa tayo sa masters. And then, over here, you have bedroom number 5. Of course, you've got your built-ins, your vanity or study, and your ensuite toilet and bath. And you have here a little niche or nook, and you can close this up. You can turn it into a shelving system or a closet, a linen closet. It's really up to you. So, but for now, it's open for your left to your imagination. Over here, bedroom number 6. So this one is in the corner of the house. You got these huge windows. Of course, you've got your built-ins, your vanity or study, and your ensuite toilet and bath. And finally, we move to bedroom number 7, or also known as your master bedroom. So clearly you've got so much space in here, right? Your air conditioning unit is right there by the corner. Got lots of windows, right? It's up to you how you want to fashion your study and whatnot, but you don't have to worry about the closets because you have that in your ensuite toilet and bath. So lots of wardrobe space. You've got here your vanity, your his and her sinks, your bathtub, your throne, and this gorgeous rain shower. It's not really an enclosure because it's open on both sides, so this is really, really nice. Cascade. So yeah, what have I left out in this house that you haven't seen? Regardless, let's talk recap. So you've got 7 bedrooms, 7 toilet and baths. You've got obviously this really nice open space with your living, dining, and kitchen. You've got a separate maid's quarters with their own toilet and bath, as well as a driver's quarters downstairs by the 4 carport, also with an ensuite toilet and bath. You've got a swimming pool, a covered swimming pool down on the basement. And let's remember that 2 of the bedrooms are down there as guest bedrooms. And you have got this really, really breezy covered lanai with a bar for you to serve drinks. Ang cute, no? It's a small bottle. I'm not gonna show you who made it though. Anyways, you've also got 353 square meters of lot area and 602 square meters of floor area. That is a lot of space for entertaining anyone who ever does come to your home. And what else? Yeah, it's again here, a house and lot for sale in Quezon City, inside Tivoli Royale Subdivision near Vista Royale Executive Village. So if you want to see more houses like this, and I hope you do, make sure you comment, all right? Please do send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.